A horrifying Zoom call.
The baby's back there crying. She's not answering or anything. We're calling her name. She's not talking or responding.
A Central Florida mother killed on camera. Tonight, Fox 35 hears from the horrified witnesses.
Masks at schools, going head-to-head with the governor, and now the president is getting involved.
Double trouble. Two systems are churning in the tropics. What Central Florida can expect from Fred and Grace.
Apple users, beware. It is time to protect your devices. The latest threat that's targeting your data. Fox 35 News starts right now.
She has the camera on and her baby's crying on the back. We heard a loud kaboom, and then she leaned back, and we just saw blood from her face. We're all on Zoom, and it just happened on Zoom.
Co-workers watched the terrifying moments unfold when a mother is shot and killed during a Zoom conference call. Police say her toddler got a hold of a gun and accidentally shot her in the head. We're finally hearing the 911 calls tonight. Good evening, I'm David Bowden.
And I'm Andrea Jackson. Fox 35's Matt Trezza has more from Altamont Springs.
21-year-old Shamaya Lynn dead after Altamont Springs police say her toddler was handling a loaded gun and shot her in the head. Now police releasing 911 calls from Wednesday when her horrified colleagues saw it all happen on a Zoom call.
She just fell back, and her nose was bleeding. Her baby, I don't know if something hit. She hit the desk. I don't know. But all I heard, we heard a loud kaboom, and then she leaned back, and we just saw blood from her face.
Trying desperately from across the internet to ask if Lynn was all right.
The baby's back there crying. She's not answering or anything. We're calling her name. She's not talking or responding.
And she never would. Lynn's distraught boyfriend also calling 911 when he came home and found her.
I literally just got home and I come in the room. My girlfriend, she was working on the computer and she just laid back. There's blood everywhere.
The call taker walking him through performing CPR until he heard paramedics arrive.
Come on, man, hurry, please. I don't know what happened. I just wanted to help. I just came through the door.
But it was too late. Altamont Springs police say many things could have prevented this tragedy, including a gun lock that they can give you for free.
It actually goes through either the barrel or the upper slot of your handgun, and it makes it impossible to actually load a round into the chamber.
Police say the investigation is ongoing and they're working with the state attorney's office on any possible charges. In Altamont Springs, Matt Trezza, Fox 35 News.
Police say one student is dead after a shooting at a North Carolina high school today. Dozens of law enforcement officers swarmed the school in Winston-Salem. Several nearby schools were put on lockdown out of an abundance of caution. Police say a student was found with a gunshot wound and was taken to the hospital where they passed away.
Law enforcement officials are working to confirm the identity of the suspect, who is believed to also be a student of Mount Tabor High School. This investigation is in its preliminary stages, and additional information will be released at a later time. Law enforcement officials are working to reunite students with their families.
Police are searching for the shooter now. No word on a motive.
I just looked at my wrist. I got time today. I'm crossing the line today. Y'all ain't gonna believe it. I'm gonna upload a story on. I'm gonna add a clip to it because I know y'all have seen it too. If you're not getting the vaccination, why the hell are y'all trying to buy a vaccination card? Why would you buy? Listen, what's the logic of that? You wanna pay somebody to fake a document for you when you can just get one for free. Get the vaccination. What is, you know what, y'all people are stupid. You stupid. You're actually stupid. Yeah, I said it. And let me get to this school thing. What are y'all thinking about virtual school now? It ain't nothing. And guess what? Here in North Carolina, we've already had 1 death. Y'all been in virtual school for over a year and a half without violence. Only a couple of times where I seen where a lady boyfriend came in while she was, you know, had her niece and her children there doing a Zoom. Hey, get out of there. And he came in and he killed her in front of the children. So okay, that's not a student. That's a parent. But still, that's a violence. What I see here in Charlotte myself, at schools that I used to go to, a school that my husband used to go to, any school, period. Why the freak are y'all bringing knives and guns to the store? Y'all there to get a free education. What y'all? I mean, if y'all had that much animosity towards each other, why don't y'all just battle it out doing the, you know, while y'all were out doing virtual? Instead of just, you know, and then people don't knuckle up like they used to. They don't. They don't. They don't. They want to bring a new flavor to the game. It's not about that. It's not about that. That's what's wrong with our skin color now. I mean, theirs doing it too, but it's the majority is ours. When I have this thing downloaded to my my phone, well, it's not downloaded to my phone. Every time I go onto Google, here is a site full of inmates who just got arrested this week. The majority of them, I'm gonna say 85% black. Y'all, I'm getting ready to get out of here because it's 15 minutes till I gotta go to work. I love y'all. Deuces.